Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you three verified legit sites you can start making money from. Like you start making money immediately, answering survey questions, make sure opinion is the number one. You can make over $3 per survey and they are legit. You get paid to your Nigeria or any African bank account. Then number two is Afrisight. Afrisight, you can make up to $5 per survey. They pay to your Nigerian bank account or any African bank account, other international countries accepted. So number three is DG Opinion. This site is so legit, so authentic. I'm telling you, site that have been tested and trusted. They pay Nigerians, they pay Africans. You can start filling survey and start getting your money. Your money will pay directly to your local bank account. So guys, stop wasting your time with all these things. Go and start filling surveys and start making money. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow my channel for more, guys. Thank you.